If you've been rear-ended by another car, almost every single one of those times the other car is at fault. You would literally have to be driving in reverse in order to be at fault for a rear-end collision. You know, it's amazing what insurance companies will try to claim. I'm thinking of a case one time. We had a 75-year-old guy who was stopped at a red light and got rear-ended by a commercial van. But the insurance company tried to claim somehow that even though our client was stopped at the red light, that he had jerked his vehicle over into the other lane and then been rear-ended by the van, and that somehow or another that was his fault. It was insane. But these insurance companies will stop at nothing to try to shift the blame to our clients. It's our job at the Claiborne Firm to maximize the recovery that you get from the insurance company. We've got a track record of doing it for our clients, and we will do it for you. At the Claiborne Firm, we litigate the cases that matter most.